Who got hit?
I don't know.
I heard. Ah!
I think it hit the. It's not like Nick.
Dude, that fucking tarp does fuck with you.
Yeah. That's a good idea then, right?
I think I shot someone through it.
That's the point, too. That eventually it will be depleted.
You don't know what the fuck.
You could try to just reset it or something, like take the battery out. I'll just take the battery out for a while, maybe, I don't know. Hey, you guys are working together as a team. Good job. That last round was beautiful.
Thing about Rafa's Favas, dude, I forget how high the sights are.
Uh-huh.
So he shot the fucking wood in front of me, ricochet hit me in the face.
Fuck.
Like,
Yeah, alright.
I'm fine. He's all like, oh my god.
I gotta stop cussing while I'm recording this.
But it was funny though.
Alec, where's Alec? The brothers Parmley.
Brother, Palmer's over here. Dude, I really don't know who shot me, but that was a great shot.
Through the trigger.
Yeah, through the trigger guard. I put the gun up in front of my face, I can hit the mouth.
Oh no! He's it. Oh, oh! Here he goes again. Ninja James. Oh. Pablo's out. Nick's out. Poor Alec.